Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi mango. First, select ripe yet firm mangoes, ideally 2 to 3 pounds, as their texture is crucial for this recipe. Next, gather your core kimchi ingredients, gochugaru, fresh garlic, and ginger. Don't forget fish sauce for that authentic umami depth, or a vegan substitute if preferred. Having everything ready before you begin makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the mangoes. Carefully peel them and slice them into uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch thick. Consistency and size helps with even fermentation. Next, gently toss these mango slices with 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. This brining step is vital for drawing out excess moisture and firming up the mangoes. Allow them to sit for 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove the salt. With your mangoes ready, it's time to create the flavorful kimchi paste. In a large bowl, combine your gochugaru, finely minced garlic, and grated ginger. Stir in the fish sauce, or your vegan alternative, along with a small amount of sugar to balance the flavors. Add just a few tablespoons of water to achieve the right consistency. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until you have a thick, vibrant, and aromatic paste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your brined and rinsed mangoes to the bowl with the kimchi paste. Using gloves, gently mix everything until the mangoes are evenly coated. Pack the kimchi mango firmly into a clean jar, ensuring you leave about 1 inch of headspace. For more great deals and to grab some Little Trees black ice, check the link in the description. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, then transfer it to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.